Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up automatic payments with Wells Fargo. Alright, let's get straight into the video because it's gonna be a really quick one. The first step is to sign into your account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website with your computer. And once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on bill pay, and then you want to select the payee, the one you want to pay the bills for, and then you're gonna enter the payment amount as well as the frequency. Of course, that frequency is gonna be automatic payments, and what you want to do is to review and confirm the automatic payment details. And next, you're just gonna wait for the automatic payment to be set up, and once it's done, you can review and understand the automatic payments terms and conditions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up automatic payments with Wells Fargo. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.